All right, welcome back to Yahoo Finance Live on this busy Thursday morning. As we have every Thursday morning, the latest data on initial jobless claims just dropped, but we also got the latest private payrolls data from ADP. All this coming ahead of tomorrow's key jobs report. Yahoo Finance's Emily McCormick joins us now with the latest on this labor market data. Emily.
Well, Miles, a couple of stronger than expected reports on the labor market out this morning. And as you mentioned, really setting up tomorrow's official May jobs report nicely. But I'll kick things off with the ADP private payrolls report. Usually that comes out on Wednesday mornings, although this time with the Memorial Day holiday, we did get that at 8:15 this morning. And that report showing that U.S. private employers added back 978,000 payrolls last month. Now, this was a fifth straight monthly gain and a big beat compared to what consensus economists were looking for, with that number being 650,000 on the estimate. Now, this also followed a downwardly revised rise of 654,000 private payrolls in April. But taking a look at the internals here of this May report, we had service providing employers again adding the most jobs by far last month at a net 850,000. We saw leisure and hospitality jobs comprising just about half of that gain at 440,000, followed by education and health services employment rising by 139,000 in May. I do want to highlight that the goods producing sector, overall private payrolls rose by 128,000, and that was in turn led by construction with an increase of 65,000 jobs. Now, we should note that ADP's report is not always a perfect indicator of what we're going to be seeing from that official non-farms payrolls report from the Labor Department. That is coming out tomorrow, and consensus economists there are looking for about 661,000 non-farm payrolls to come back, with 600,000 of those comprising private payrolls. Now, this is going to be a key report in determining the path forward for the Federal Reserve, given that much weaker than expected jobs report we saw in April. So really, this is going to be about seeing whether the economy is humming along at a clip that might warrant some tapering of these crisis era policies. So again, one of the things that we're really going to be watching on that front, Miles.
All right, Yahoo Finance's Emily McCormick with the latest on all of today's labor market data.